Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamal with you. Assistant teacher, Chakpara Hazino Jubulla Dakhil Madrasa, Sripur Gajipur. Today we are going to discuss English first part. Okay. Look at the picture attentively. There is a picture here. Okay, good. A picture. Do you know the picture? Very good. The picture of, it is a picture of National Mausoleum. Can you guess today's class? Yes. Our today's lesson is Independence Day. Unit 3, Lesson 5. Next, let's learn some new word. Word, fervor, alike, spectator, display, illuminate. Meaning, fervor. Fervor means a strong feeling of excitement. Alike means in a similar way. Spectator means a person who is watching an event. Display means act of performing skill. Illuminate means to decorate a building with bright light. Next, the passage in brief. Our biggest festival, it is 26 March, our Independence Day. Independence Day. People celebrate the day with great enthusiasm and fervor. The day begins with 31 gun shoot. Place floral wreath first by the President and the Prime Minister on the behalf of the nation. All classes of people come here to pay homage to our freedom fighter. Next, the passage in brief. School children, scout and girls, guides take part in displays. Educational institution also organized individual programs. Public buildings are illuminated with colorful light. Other organizations also hold different cultural programs. Okay, now choose the best answer. Question 1. Our biggest state festival is, try to guess which one. It is Victory Day, Shohid Dibosh, Pohla Boishakh, Independence Day. Okay, try yourself. After that, we will match with our answer. Question number 2. The celebration of Independence Day begins with a procession, a gunshots, placing wreath at the National Memorial, the display of parade by the Defense Force. Can you guess which one is more suitable? Next, choose the best answer. Question number 3. The National Mausoleum is on Dhaka University campus at Ramna Park, at Savar, near Dhaka Medical College. Which one? Try yourself. Question number 4. Our Independence Day at a national parade is held. I say again, on Independence Day, a national parade is held at National Parade Ground, in the streets, in decorated vehicle, in Bangabandhu Stadium. Which one is suitable? Answer. The first one is Independence Day. Question number 2, answer will be gun shoot. Question number 3, it is situated at Savar. Question number 4, at National Parade Ground. Very good. Can you guess? Can you recall our today's lesson? First of all, we have learned some new words. Then we have learned the text in brief. After that, we have also learned some MCQ question. Practice them again and again at your home and stay home. Wash your hand again and again to protect you from corona. Thank you.